Hello, welcome back. Day 6, I think, non-consecutive. Today I'm going to show you what I was talking about when I was extending this one section at a time, and who knows what else. Also, just a reminder to caution tape off your danger zone so anybody who's here, not supposed to be, doesn't fall in the hole and sue your butt off. So here's our next section. So all we do is, ouch, ow, god damn it, don't hit yourself in the head. Pull off the bend and the upright. Yeah, new section. Stick that in there. And you go to the end of this section. Get your old body to go into the hole, reach into the hole. Put that back in there. And now your conduit is 10 feet longer. And don't worry, I'll come back and glue this. I'm just temporarily setting this up for now. Same thing. Try not to hit yourself in the head this time. Pull that off. Pipe. Put it in there. Don't drop it in the hole this time, so it's easier. Move this down. And there you go. 2 conduits, 20 feet long. 60 more feet to go or so. Yippee yippee. So we're gonna try to figure out where the existing cable comes from so I can connect the old to the new. So time lapse time. Time lapse. Okay, so we figured out some more of this wire. So it comes out of the pipe. It went back around behind the piece of wood. Goes over here. And then, you probably can't see, but it starts turning towards the house here. So it starts going like this way. So this hole I dug has to be pretty close. Well, it doesn't have to be, but looks like it's about 2 feet down. So it looks like we're not quite deep enough. 2 feet down. And maybe over a little bit more, so more digging, time-lapse mode. We found the cable, yay! Kind of lines up with the tree. It's right in front of the shovel there. And then there's the tree, where it used to be. So it goes there, goes over here, and like wraps around behind there. So the pipes are here, the electric's here. Let's see if I can bend these pipes that much. I don't know how bendy they are, or if I'm gonna have to buy some junctions and whatever. twists and turns to get it over here. So let's give it a whirl. How bendy are you, pipes, without breaking? Oh yeah, and not fall in the hole too. This would probably be a lot easier with help, but I don't have help right now. You gotta have to pull and bend at the same time, and not fall in the hole. A little dirt onto this root. So we get that out of the way. Shovel, shovel, shovel. All right. Doesn't look like we're gonna get past that with digging. So, see if we can do more bending or not. Bendy, bendy. Woo. Well, looks like it's possible. The white thing down there is the cap. And the pipe bends. Bend, bend, bend. And that goes out to there. So, looks like this will work. Just a bit of a challenge. Alright, got my adjustable wrench. Adjust it so the cap. Grab onto the cap. Hopefully get this thing off so we can wrap it up for tonight. That's a little too big, so make it a little smaller. Alright. Got the blade. Wiggle it back and forth. Haha. Success. This thing. Alright. Let's see if we can get this one here instead. Break. Won't do that. God damn it. Woohoo. Alright, it's on. This back on. Try to bend it back upright without popping off. There we go. And then put the cap back on. Boop. So we're waterproof. Alright, that was fun. So tomorrow we'll figure out how to do the other pipe. Because I'm tired and I'm done. And I gotta get out of this hole. And I'm tired. Here's a fun little PS. We have an outside shower. There's a naked lady in there right now. I think the gazebo's blocking just enough to make this, whoops, YouTube safe maybe. Oh well, let's see. There's upright to the bend, and then pipe we hand bent by hand, whatever you want to call it. And go down here. You can see one shorter than the other now, because of the bending. Tomorrow maybe they'll be the same length again.